Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss very important questions which appear in the intermediate public examinations for 2 marks. These questions frequently appear. These are very important questions. Here are the questions. The first question is, find the coordinates of the points on the parabola y square is equals to 2x whose focal distance is 5/2 units. In the question itself, the equation of the parabola is given and the focal distance is given. We have to find the coordinates of the point. Okay. So, first of all, what you have to do is write down the given parabola. Given parabola is y square is equals to 2x. So that compare this equation with y square is equals to 4ax. If you compare these two equations, what you get? 4a is equals to 2. 4a is equals to 2. Okay. Now you will get a is equals to 2/4 or that is equals to 1/2. The value of a is 1/2. Okay. Right. This is the parabola. Y square is equals to 2x. This is the parabola and this one is the focus. Suppose this is a point P, x1, y1. What we call SP? SP as focal distance. The focal distance is given as 5/2. Right? The distance from focus to the point on the parabola is called as focal distance. Right? Right. Now suppose P x1 y1 be any point on the parabola. Okay. Right. The focal distance is given, right? Focal distance is equals to 5/2. We know what is the focal distance. We define the focal distance as x1 plus a in the previous classes. You can cover this focal distance in the video of focal distance. You can get it in the playlist. 5/2. As you can see, x1 is equals to 5/2 minus a. Right? That is 5/2 minus, you know what is the value of a? 1/2. So that you can get 2, 5 minus 1, that is 4/2. So the value of x1 is 2. x1 is 2. We have to find the coordinates of the points. So this is the point. We have to find the coordinates. We get x coordinate. We have to get the y coordinate. Right? As you can see, the point P lies on the parabola. The equation becomes y1 square is equals to 2x1. Because the point lies on the parabola, y square is equals to 2x. Now y1 square is equals to 2 into what is x1? 2. y1 square is equals to 4. y1 is equals to plus or minus 2. Therefore, the required points are what are the points? 2, comma plus 2 and 2, comma minus 2. These are the required coordinates of the points on the parabola. Y square is equals to 2x whose focal distance is 5/2 units. Okay. Now you can see the second question. Now the second question is similar to the first one. We have to find the points on the parabola y square is equals to 8x whose focal distance is 10 units. So as we directly go into the solution part, the given parabola y square is equals to 8x. What we have to do in the first step, compare this parabola with y square is equals to 4ax. Now you will get 4a is equals to 8, so that the value of a is 2. 8 by 4 is 2, right? Now the focal distance is equals to 10. What is the focal distance? x1 plus a is equals to 10. Now x1 is equals to 10 minus a, x1 is equals to 10 minus 2, x1 is equals to 8. The value of x1 is 8. We have to find the another coordinate, that is y1 is equals to how much, right? Let point P x1 y1 be any point on the parabola, parabola y square is equals to 8x, then y1 square is equals to 8x1. y1 square is equals to 8 into what is the value of x1? 8. So that you will get 64. y1 square is equals to 64. y1 is equals to square root 64, that is plus or minus 8. Now the required points are 8, 8 and 8, minus 8, right? The required points are 8, 8, 8, minus 8. Whenever the focal distance is 10 units, these points lies on the parabola y square is equals to 8x. Okay, now you can see the second question. Now the third one is given as, if 1 by 2 comma 2 is one extremity of a focal chord of the parabola y square is equals to 8x, then find the other extremity. You know what is a focal chord? A focal chord is the chord which goes on the focal, right? On the foci, then it is called as a focal chord. Suppose this is the parabola, okay, and this is the focus. If a chord goes like this, then this one is called as focal chord. A focal chord has two extremities. One is this one and other is this one. One is P and other one is Q, right? The one extremity is given, 1 by 2 comma 2 is given. Now we have to find this one, x1, y1. Suppose we have to find another extremity, right? What is the given parabola? Given parabola is y square is equals to 8x, right? Now compare this parabola with y square is equals to 4ax. Now on comparing 4a is equals to 8, we will get a is equals to 2. And we know one extremity. Let 1 by 2 comma, otherwise let one extremity 1 by 2 comma 2 is, we know the formula for extremities are, if one extremity is there, then the formula is at square comma 2at. This is the one extremity for focal chord of the parabola, right? We'll discuss the second extremity further. Now on comparing this, 2at is equals to 2. 2at is equals to 2. 2 to cancel, and t is equals to 1 by a. We already know the value of a, right? 1 by 2. So the value of t is 1 by 2. Now the other extremity would be, a by t square comma minus 2a by t. This is the other extremity for the focal chord of the parabola. Now substitute the value of a and t in this one, you will get other extremity. The value of a is 2 by t square. What is t? 1 by 2 whole square. Now minus 2 into a by 1 by 2, that is equals to 2 by 1 by 4 comma minus 4 by 1 by 2. It goes up. 4 into 2, 8 minus 8. So the other extremity is 8 comma minus 8, right? Okay. Next, the fourth question. Now the fourth question is, find the value of k if the line 2y is equals to 5x plus k is a tangent to the parabola y square is equals to 6x. So we have to find the value of k. Whenever the line 2y is equals to 5x plus k is a tangent to the parabola y square is equals to 6x. This is the parabola, y square is equals to 6x. A tangent meets the parabola at one point, right? So this is the tangent, 2y is equals to 5x plus k. Parabola and it's a tangent. We have to find the value of k. So first of all, find the value of a, so that given parabola is y square is equals to 6x. On comparing with y square is equals to 4ax, we get 4a is equals to 6, right? On comparing with y square is equals to 4ax, we will get 4a is equals to 6. Now a would become 6 by 4, that is a is 3 by 2. Okay, right. Now the given line is 2y is equals to 5x plus k. Now make this 2y is equals to 5x plus k into the form of y is equals to mx plus c, so that take this 2 this side, you will get y is equals to 5x by 2 plus k by 2. Now compare this equation with, on comparing, consider this as 1, on comparing equation 1 with y is equals to mx plus c, we get, what will get, mx is equals to 5x by 2, so that m is equals to 5 by 2 and c is equals to k by 2. Okay. In the question itself, he has given the line 2y is equals to 5x plus k is a tangent to the parabola, so that the condition is the line is already a tangent to the parabola. whenever a line or a straight line, whatever it is, if it is a tangent to the parabola, the condition should be C is equals to A by M. It has to satisfy this condition. If it satisfies this condition, the line is a tangent to the parabola. In the question itself, the line is a tangent to the parabola y square is equals to 6x. So that we will have to check this condition and find the value of k. Right. What is the value of k? Sorry, what is the value of c? K by 2 is equals to a value is 3 by 2 and m value is 5 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. K by 2 is equals to 3 by 5 and do the cross multiplication. K is equals to 3 into 2 is 6 by 5. This is the way you are going to find the value of k, right? Next, the fifth question. Now the fifth question. The question is, show that the line 2x minus y plus 2 is equals to 0 is a tangent to the parabola y square is equals to 16x. Also find the point of contact. We have to show the given line is a tangent to the parabola, and also we have to find the point where the line meets the parabola. For this type of questions, you have to, first of all, you have to find the value of a, so that the given parabola is y square is equals to 16x. On comparing with y square is equals to 4ax, you get 4a is equals to 16 and a is equals to 4, right? The value of a is 4. Now the given line is 2x minus y plus 2 is equals to 0. We have to convert this line into y is equals to mx plus c. So we have to convert this line into slope intercept form of a straight line, so that you take this y to the other side, y is equals to 2x plus 2, right? Consider this as 1 and comparing equation 1 with y is equals to mx plus c, we get the value of m is 2 and the value of c is 2, right? Now we know the values of c, m and a. Okay, whenever a line is a tangent to the parabola, otherwise a line is a tangent to the parabola, what is the condition? C is equals to A by M. If it satisfies this condition, the line is always a tangent to that parabola. We know the value of C is equals to 2. We have to find A by M. What is A? 4. What is M? 2. That is equals to 2. So if this satisfies the condition, so that 2x minus y plus 2 is equals to 0 is a tangent to the parabola. Okay. Now we have to find the point of contact where the line meets the parabola y square is equals to 16x. The point of contact point of contact formula is, point of contact is a by m square comma 2a by m. This is the point of contact of a parabola. So substitute the values. Value of a is 4 by m square is 2 square, that is 4. 2 into value of a is 4 and m value is 2. You can cancel this one, and 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4 is the point of contact of the tangent where meets the parabola. Okay, now we will see another question. If you see the sixth question, the question is, find the equation of tangent to the parabola y square is equals to 16x inclined at an angle 60 degrees with its axis, and also find the point of contact. Here we have to find the equation of tangent to the parabola y square is equals to 16x, that is inclined at an angle 60 degrees. So the angle is given, right? In this question, angle is given. We don't know what is the slope and we don't know what is the intercept, so that we have to find the equation of the tangent. First of all, do the same process. Given parabola is y square is equals to 16x. On comparing with y square is equals to 4ax, we get 4a is equals to 16 and a is equals to 4, right? Now next, given that inclination of the tangent line is inclination of the tangent line is 60 degrees. Therefore, if we know the inclination, we can find the slope, right? Slope of the tangent is m. Slope of the tangent is m. We know what is the slope of the tangent? Tan theta, that is equals to tan, what is the value of theta? 60. So m is equals to tan 60 is root 3, right? Okay, now the equation of tangent with the slope m is y is equals to mx plus c. If this is a tangent to the parabola, c is equals to a by m, so that you can write directly y is equals to mx plus a by m. Substitute the value of m and a in here, you will get y is equals to m is root 3x plus a value is 4 by root 3. You can take the LCM. Y is equals to root 3 into root 3, 3x plus 4 by root 3. Therefore, the equation of the tangent is y is otherwise you can write like this: root 3y is equals to 3x plus 4, or 3x minus root 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. This is the required equation of tangent to the parabola y square is equals to 16x, which is inclined at an angle 60 degrees with its axis. In the question itself, it has given also find the point of contact. Therefore, point of contact is, in the previous question we discussed the formula for point of contact. What is the point of contact? A by m square comma 2a by m. This is the point of contact. Substitute the values of a and m. The value of a is 4, m is root 3 square. 2 into a by root 3. Square root gets cancelled. 4 by 3, 8 by root 3. This is the point of contact. This line meets the parabola at an inclination of angle 60 degrees at point 4 by 3 comma 8 by root 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can find the most important 7 marks questions in the parabola which frequently appears in the intermediate public examinations. In my playlist you can get circles and integrations and easy tricks for IIT, JEE and EAMCET. Please visit my playlist, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.